The question I get asked almost every time is, when can you start, when can you finish? And we always recommend that you pick your builder early on as soon as possible, because if they're engaged in tracking on the permit process and part of the design process, not only will they help you value engineer your plans and understand what's happening construction-wise, they will be able to fit a spot in their schedule. Because construction projects take 6, 10, 12, 15 months in some cases, it's important to get the builder selected and on their master schedule as soon as possible. So you've selected your builder early on, you're going through the design phase and permitting phase, you get your permit approvals. If we were selected as the builder for that project, we would be able to track it along and plan for our master schedule. Generally, when the permit hits and we're lined up for construction, we would be ready to go within 2 to 4 weeks of the permit approval. In some cases, that takes a little longer. Some cases, it's a little bit faster, and you might need more time to move. But that's generally what we track for our projects here at Bolt.